MM382, please introduce yourself.
Hi, sir. Good afternoon. I'm Lynn Madrigal. I'm 40 years old. I live in Danang, Mupog, Marinduque, Philippines. I'm a high school graduate. I'm a single mother. I have 3 kids. I am an ex abroad.
Where you come from?
I came from Mupog, Marinduque, Philippines.
How far to Manila?
It's 7 hours travel, sir, from bus and also a ferry.
I see. So it's the southern part or the northern part of Manila?
Southern part
Oh, I
of
see.
Manila.
I see. Okay. So you're a single mom, right?
Yes, sir.
So no partner, right?
No partner, sir.
You have 3 kids. Who's going to take care of them?
My mother and my father, and also my younger brother, living with my 3 kids, and my older son is also big now, and my second son is also big. They know how to do household chores also and
Sure.
take care of my, yes, sir.
Okay. So tell me about your working experience abroad.
My working experience in Doha, Qatar, my main duties are taking care of the children. In the morning, I wake up at 4 a.m. I prepare myself. I prepare the breakfast for the kids. At 6 o'clock, I wake up them to eat breakfast. And then 6:30 we together in the bathroom. I help them to take bath and prepare the self for going to school. 7 o'clock the bus is coming and the kids pick up also. 7:30 sir is going out for work, and then Madam 9 o'clock she's going to work also. And after that, 30 minutes I have breakfast or 20 minutes, and then I will do the household chores until 10 a.m. to 10:30, and then I will cook the food for lunch for the kids at 1 o'clock a.m. 2
Mm.
p.m. Madam and Sir will eat also their lunch. And then after that, I will help the children to make the assignment. And then 1 hour, we go to the playground. The kids will play until 5 p.m. And then after that, we go home. I will prepare the dinner for the kids and clean the kids for bed. 7 p.m. I will make sure that the kids are going to bed because tomorrow again is another for school. And then I will keep the sala clean and the kitchen also. And then before I go to sleep, I iron the uniform and the other clothes. And then I will check the kids if they are sleeping. And then 9 o'clock I will go to the bed also, share room with the 2 kids. Sir.
Okay, sounds very good. Very detailed. Uh, so you work alone, right?
Yes, sir. I work alone together with the CCTV.
Mm.
And yes, sir.
And you work alone and you finished the contract. Why you did not renew the contract? What did you do after you come back to Philippines?
Yeah. I did not finish the contract, sir, because my granted day off, they did not granted to me at least once a month. I finished my first contract that I don't have day off. That's why I decide to go home and focus with my family at and then I need to work also here and explore another work.
Mm. Okay. But now you want to try Hong Kong. Why?
Yes, sir. Because Hong Kong, uh, they give a high salary, and then I need that high salary for my kids for a better future.
Can you take care of newborn baby?
Yes, sir. I can.
So if the baby keep crying, what could be the reason?
If the baby is crying, I will check for her. Maybe she is in pain, or maybe she is hungry, or maybe the diaper is full. And if nothing happened, I will comfort the baby. I will sing lullaby, or I will sing kids nursery song.
Okay, show me a nursery rhyme you can sing.
I have two hands, the left and the right, holding up high, so clean and bright. Clap them softly, 1, 2, 3. Clean little hands are good to see. Thank you, sir.
Okay. And how do you know a baby gets sick and what should you do?
I will check the temperature using thermometer, sir. If I found that she is sick, I will call my employer and tell about uh, what happened.
If you take care young kids, say 6 years old, 9 years old, they are quite naughty, then how can you manage them or teach them something?
I will teach them to read, like what I do in Qatar. I teach my younger kids there to read. I will teach also to write. I will teach to color. I will teach to play soccer like that.
Okay.
So, yes, sir.
How would you describe yourself? What kind of person you are?
Lin, Lin is a hard worker, hardworking, trustworthy, and industrious.
How many years you want to work in Hong Kong?
Uh, 10 years and more.
Hmm. So if the employer say that you're making mistake but you didn't, how would you respond?
I will tell us, sorry, sir, can you give me another chance? I'm sure I promise that I will not do again and I will learn.
Well, what if the employer say that you talk too much? You should keep your mouth shut or you go home. Then how would you respond?
Sir, please, can you give me one more chance and please give me a consideration? I will not make another mistake again.
What if you make a mistake but you did not, well, you can just keep it to yourself or you can tell the employer. What would you do?
Um, I will make sure that I will not mistake, sir, again.
I say you already make a mistake. Will you admit it or you just cover it up?
I will admit it, sir.
Okay, sounds good. Okay, give a message to your future employer.
To my future employer, if you hired me, I will do my best to give the super service that I will give to your family. Thank you, sir, and have a nice day.
By the way, you did not mention any hobbies. What are your hobbies when you have free times?
Hobbies in my free time, singing, and that's it, sir. I don't know how to dance.
Just singing, right?
Just singing, sir.
Okay, that's fine.
Thank you, sir.
MM382我俾個 rating 係 AA 加嘅，佢中東2年完約，21至23年都唔係好耐嘅。佢話佢翻嚟之後就做呢個 room attendant，咁佢走咧就因為個僱主唔肯一個月俾一日假期佢都唔肯。咁啊，事實上中東係真係冇假期，咁即係都好刻薄。咁佢就寧願翻嚟，咁就喺本地有嘢做啦。咁而家又想出嚟打工啦，因為佢有3個細路嘅，single mom 嚟嘅，冇 backup 嘅，所以想揾多啲錢啦。咁佢英文相當好，應對鋪排樣嘢都講得好清楚。佢咁嘅能力咧，可以教到小朋友啲英文 係可以提升嘅。咁亦都可以教下啲功課啊咁樣。咁亦都可以照顧長者，40歲，咁佢5尺116磅，身高體重都合比例。By the way, did you have any tattoo on your body?
No, sir, I don't have any tattoo.
You are healthy.
Yes, sir, I'm healthy.
咁佢話佢又健康又冇啲古靈精怪嘢，咁個人睇落都好 outgoing 積極嘅。咁但係去到40歲，所以我都係俾個AA 加佢啫，就係咁啦。